Sandusky, Erie, Seneca, and Defiance counties.
And a third vaccine is expected to hit the market soon. Johnson & Johnson waiting for approval of its one-dose vaccine. 13 ABC's Melissa Bates has the story, new at 6 tonight.
Well, Lee, this again is a one-dose vaccine, and it's not reported to be as effective as Pfizer or Moderna, but it does have its strengths, and we need more vaccines. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is easier to store and transport and only requires one dose. Well, some consider its 66% effectiveness a drawback compared to the first two vaccines on the market.
Although it looks like more participants contracted a mild form of the disease than with the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, those who did contract disease never reached the point where they were hospitalized or anybody died.
And with the virus mutating so quickly, some medical experts say that's ultimately the best goal to shoot for in containing massive outbreaks. The vaccine is ready for mass distribution as soon as it gets FDA approval.
Just like the others, it's already being manufactured, and it's something that we could start using fairly quickly if it goes through those approval phases.
And Johnson & Johnson's vaccine in particular was used in clinical trials against the latest South African variant in particular, which is said to be more contagious.
We found that the vaccine still has some effectiveness against those variants, so that is a piece of good news, that it isn't completely ineffective against those variants, and it still isn't going to be our best form of protection against these new variants that emerge.
At this point, we're looking for possible approval by mid-February. Reporting live, Melissa Bates, 13 ABC Action News. Back to you.
All right, Melissa, thank you. Now a quick reminder of the Lucas County hospitals and pharmacies that are administering the vaccine. Mercy St. V's on Cherry Street, Toledo Hospital, Flower Hospital as well.
CVS Pharmacy on Byrne Road and several Kroger locations. Now, if you are having trouble getting through to any of these places, there are two other numbers that you can call to help make your appointment.
And you can call the United Way at 211 or contact the Area Office on Aging at the number listed right here on your screen.
And take a look at the age groups listed here to find out when you are eligible. As of this week, as we said, those who are 70 and older. Next week, those who are 65 and older. Now, the governor has said that it's likely they'll have to pause at that point to give everybody a chance to catch up. And
here's a quick look at the vaccine dashboard. As of today, over 853,000 Ohioans have at least started receiving the first dose of the vaccine. That's 7.3% of our population. A new federal mandate issued by the CDC goes into effect tonight. Anyone who travels on any mode of public transportation